We have the Romley burger.
We finally got it here on the side road. We're
Nice and
just
hot.
on the side of the road here in Tail.
Yeah, this is the fun way to eat a Romley burger. It looks saucy.
Yeah, mine's got lots of sauce on it.
And you know what?
Yours
This
is
one's
the big
really
one.
heavy. I
This
think
is
we
the
have.
one with the egg. Yours is the standard with extra cheese.
Oh, I like this. Somebody has durian. It's overpowering.
You can, it's like, yeah, it's like all kinds of different things here on the side of the road.
That
Accidental
looks
durian.
saucy.
We got Romley burgers. This one's with egg. This one's with extra cheese and special sauce.
I like sauce.
So let's see.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Let's see what we find.
Looks totally different than our other Romley experience.
We've never been to a Romley burger on the side of the road like this before.
No, not a street vendor.
It's good.
What do you think?
It's got a lot of flavor. The egg holds the burger together. It's like an egg was wrapped around the patties with lots of cheese. It's got a lot of flavor. There's some kind of like, I don't know, moisturizer sauce maybe?
Oh, so many flavors at once.
What do you
I
think
love
of this one compared to the other one we did?
Totally different. The other one was good, but this one is great.
This one's way more saucy, full of egg, and they took the egg, he cooked it on the grill. You're gonna see that in this video as he made it.
I would say this has the experience of Malaysia.
This
With
is Malaysian street food for sure.
All the different sauces, and you can taste the chili sauce.
Is yours spicy? I'm having a hard time keeping mine together.
And sweet.
Somebody's
I'm
alarm's
not
going
sure.
off.
Always something happening here in Malaysia.
But this is definitely the Romley experience we were looking for.
We're right in the middle of the city of Kuala Lumpur, and we're next to the towers. We're next to right there, Petronas Towers.
Yeah, we can see it right here, actually.
Wow.
I didn't even know we were that close.
It was right in front of us. Amazing. Thank you.
It's super saucy. But trying to keep it inside the bun, challenging, because look at all that sauce coming out.
That really looks good.
So big.
Now mine doesn't have an egg on it. I'll have to get another one.
This one's wrapped with an egg around it. He cracked it, he spread it out, then he put the burger on top of the egg, then he put cheese, then he put another burger, and then he wrapped the egg around the burgers.
And it looks like they put lots of sauce on it too.
Yeah,
Oh, that's amazing.
it's so messy. This is definitely the real deal. Uncle did a really good job.
I like all the excitement going around while you're eating the Romley burger. Definitely busy.
Yeah, a lot of people are just coming up. These guys, at first we were looking for them when they weren't in the right spot. They moved around, changed locations. Look how saucy that is.
That was a great bite. Wow. So what part do you like best on the Romley burger? Do you like the sauce? Do you like the meat? Do you like it all together? Do you like the egg?
I like it all together with the egg wrapped around it. What about you?
Yeah, I like it all together.
This one's it's a little big.
What?
Mine's really big. We're just out here on the side of the road on a plastic table eating Romley burgers. It looks like, and we can see Petronas Towers. It's like right in front of us.
It is. Everything's famous. The Romley burger, the towers.
And everybody has their own version of what is famous.
Well, you know, in trying the classic in the restaurant, that
This is
was
better.
good. Yeah, this is better.
This has a lot more flavor to it.
I'm glad we came here.
Yeah. Take a look. This is our second ramen burger here in KL.
Eating the famous Romley burger in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. How cool is that?
Things are looking good. Well, if you're watching this video all the way to the end, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Yes. And leave a comment of your favorite Romley burger hawker stand.
Here in KL,
Or in
Penang.
in a different place.
we're going to go to Penang next, so let us know if you think there's a good one in Penang.
Yes.
But in KL, there seems to be a lot more choices.
Oh, there's a lot of them in KL. And there's actually a lot of them across Malaysia.
Yeah. We'll try a few more. And well, I can smell that durian. It's really strong. It's durian season right now. So a lot of people are eating durian. And I can smell it while we're eating this burger. So I don't know, there's another truck in front of us. So maybe that's where it's coming from. I don't know.
The smells of Malaysia.
Wow. So hey, if you want to learn how it is to travel, you want to experience everything, make sure you subscribe to our channel and you can follow along wherever we go in the world. And we go to a lot of places. So
And we look for the famous food. Here in Malaysia,
Yeah.
it's the famous Romley burger.
we'll do street food, but we also do 5-star. So it just sort of depends on what we're in the mood for.
So I'm loving it.
Yep. This is
Yep.
great. Ramen burger. We'll put the location down in the description.
Sure.
So until next time,
Cheers.
travel on, everyone.